Okay, question 8. Question 8a. What integer is twice as large as 6? Well, twice as large as 6 will just be 2 times 6. And we are going to get 12. What integer is half as large as 6? So this will just be half times 6. This will be half as large as 6, and we should get 3. What integer is twice as large as -6? This will just be 2 times -6, and we get -12. So you can think of -6 as owing someone money. So if I owe someone $6, what will be twice that amount? It will just be owing $12. That's why it's 2 times -6. What integer is half as large as -6? It will just be half times -6. And half of -6 is -3. Okay, so maybe I should, yeah, just that. And then E. What is the largest negative integer? The largest negative integer will be -1, right? Because -2 will be smaller than -1, and then keeps on going, -1000 is even smaller. So the largest negative integer will just be -1. What is the smallest positive integer? The smallest positive integer will be 1. Just +1. Because we cannot have only decimal values, so I cannot say 0.1. For integers, G, the smallest negative integer, this one is, we don't really know what's the smallest negative integer, right? Someone can say -1000, and then someone can say -10,000, someone can say -1 million, and then it just keeps on getting smaller and smaller. So you can either use the word infinity. Infinity is the biggest possible number, and if it's negative, then negative biggest possible number, which is the smallest number. Or you can say we do not know. So the textbook answer is probably just negative infinity. This symbol means infinity. What is the largest possible positive integer? Largest positive integer. So again, we don't really know. In math, we call this number infinity. That's the biggest possible number. And what number x is -x negative? Well, if I want to make -x negative, then x must be positive. X. Right, for example, if x is like 2, then -x will just be -2. So this will be negative. So I can say x must be bigger than 0 to illustrate that x must be positive. For what number x is -x positive? Well, x must be negative, right? If x is negative, then negative will be positive. Okay, that's it for 2.1. I'll see you in 2.2.